Do you think you know how to clean a house? Well, years ago, I had this friend in Houston, and she was so clean. Now, her garage has little rugs in it and chairs, and there's some shoes for outdoors and indoors, and a little broom and vacuums everywhere. And I've never seen a speck of dust in her house when I go visit. Well, she was going to come out here and visit for the first time when I moved here. So I thought, oh, I better clean. I spent 2 days cleaning my house, and I was so proud. All the beds were changed and all that. So she got here, and oh man, well, you know how you do. You trying to catch up. We've got a whole year of catching up to do. John goes to bed at 9. We're still talking and visiting. She said, oh, I know what we'll do tomorrow. I said, what? What do you want to do? We'll do anything you want to do. She said, let's clean your house. I spent 2 days. I said, okay. She said, what kind of vacuum do you have? I said, I got an old Kirby upright. She said, no, that won't do. You've got to have one with the hose on it so we can get in some crevices. So the next day we went into town. I bought Electrolux. That's what she had. It was the best. That's what she had. So we got home at about noon, boy. We started into this house. I had no idea how dirty a house was. She was in all my vents, and she was over my curtains and all the Venetian blinds and down around the baseboards. And it went on and on. I thought, but when we finished at midnight that night, the house had never been that clean. I never told her that I had just cleaned my house. Oh, but, it's kind of like how the Lord does us. He'll take us just like we are, dust and all. Then he takes that little Electrolux, that little Holy Spirit, and he begins to clean you up. And just trust me, it may be a little painful at first, but he gets us through it and makes you a lot cleaner. Oh, don't resist the Electrolux cleanup job. Anyway, we don't know. I didn't know how to clean. Mother had someone that helped around the house. She worked all the time. I was never taught. And that's the way it is with Christianity. You get all into this and you're never taught. So you got to spend some time learning and renewing your mind, getting cleaned up. Anyway, I just thought you might enjoy that story. I love y'all. Have a good day. Thanks for stopping in to see me. My 2 bits.